Hello everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I am Palak Khandelwal. Today we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 18th of May 2022. So this series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirants. So according to SEBI's new guidelines, what percentage of non-refundable fees should infrastructure investment trust pay in the event of an initial offer? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is 0.1%. So recently SEBI has come up with the new norms to implement draft filing fee to be paid by infrastructure investment trust for IPO and right issue. So basically infrastructure investment trust was required to pay non-refundable filing fee of 0.1% of the total issue size, but now after amending the rule of infrastructure investment trusts are required to pay non-refundable filing fee of 0.1% in the category of initial offer and 0.05% in the case of right issue for the total issue size. Okay, so now next question. For the year 2022 to 2023, who has been appointed President of the Confederation of Indian Industry? So the correct answer of this question is option C. So recently the chairman of Bajaj Finserv Limited, Sanjeev Bajaj, has assumed the office of the Confederation of Indian Industry President for the year 2022 to 2023 after replacing the CEO of the Tata Steel, TV Narendran. So, the newly constituted National Council of Confederation of Indian Industry at a meeting elected its new office bearers for the year 2022 to 2023. Okay, so now next question. With a reported salary of USD 130 million, who has topped Forbes' highest pay athlete 2022 list? So, the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Lionel Messi. So basically he was topped the list of the Forbes highest pay athlete 2022 with a reported income of USD 130 million. Okay, so now next question. Who has been appointed the REC Limited new chairman and managing director? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Ravindra Singh Dhillon. So recently the Rural Electrification Corporation Limited, a Navratna company under the administrative control of the Ministry of Power, announced it has named Ravindra Singh Dhillon as the chairman and managing director of the company. Okay, so now next question. The Indian government has given the United Nations how much fund as a part of an initiative to improve the organization public outreach in Hindi? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is USD 8 lakh. So recently the government of India has contributed USD 8 lakh to the United Nations as a part of initiative with aim to exchange public outreach of the organization in Hindi. Okay, so now next question. In the asset monetization strategy for financial year 23, the government has set a target of how much rupee? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is 1.67 lakh crore. So during the review of the asset monetization plan, it has been revealed that government has monetized the asset worth 96,000 crore for the financial year 2022 compared to the target of 88 crores. So this has been achieved by the state and the central government under the asset monetization program. In the upcoming years, they have invest potential of 9 lakh crores. Okay, so now next question. Which of the following organization has signed a memorandum of understanding with NSDC International to establish a skill center in Varanasi? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Hindustan Ports Limited. So the MOU was signed between NSDC International and Hindustan Ports Limited to introduce a skill center in Varanasi to train Indian youth for the overseas employment. So the main objective of the skill center is to provide high quality training to Indian youth and also meet the global demand of the countries like UAE, Canada, etc. So basically this platform also provides a wide network of partnering organization and overseas recruiters. Okay, so now next question. Which of the following Indian business school has recently signed an MOU with Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship to provide capacity building training for its employees? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Mohali. So recently the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship has signed an agreement with the Indian School of Business to help officers in its ecosystem with their capacity building. So a total of 120 officers will be trained under this agreement from Mohali, Indian School of Business. So basically each batch will be divided into 30 offices. So the main objective of signing an MOU is to develop leadership skill among these officers and also strategic mindset, which in the turn help in gaining insight into data analytics and data transformation. Okay, so now next question. What was the amount of the penalty levied by the RBI on KEB Hana Bank? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is 59 lakh. So the 59 lakh penalty has been imposed by RBI on KEB Hana Bank for not following certain norms related to the interest rate on deposit. So basically the KEB Hana Bank is a Korean bank that RBI has inspected regarding its financial position on March 31st, 2020. So during an inspection, RBI came to know that it doesn't comply with the direction issued by RBI under Reserve Bank of India, Direction 2016. So basically interest rate offered by the bank to their lenders were not consistent and there is no transparency in the interest rate levied by the bank. Okay, so now move to the next question. Which ministry launched the Gati Shakti Sanchar portal? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Ministry of Communication. So with the help of the portal, telecom department will speed up with the process of laying fibers and tower installation for the 5G rollout. Okay.